We're building a visual novel in Flet to learn more about Python and the Flet layout. Our rudimentary engine reads in the text from a dialog entry class and displays it to the screen. We just have one piece of dialog right now. So at the moment, we have part of our engine in main.py. And we're just using the first piece of dialog here. But the engine can accept the second piece, so we could keep going and also change the primary character. See what we got in assets. I'm going to drag a couple more assets into the actors category. And we'll also have Hiroshi standing, maybe Hiroshi running. All right, before we can change it, let's go back into the main.py here. And we're setting the current dialog here. So there's dialog index and set dialog index. We're going to use the use state hook, which is built into Flet. We'll set it to 0. Okay, then I'm going to wrap the primary stack here in a container. And we'll set the content of the container to the stack itself. Now I have a stack within a container, but because I'm using the container, I now have access to onClick. And we can use it to set dialog index to the dialog index plus 1. And right now we're not checking for the auto bounds for the list. Actually, I think I need to move this up into a separate function. Set up a check. We could set the on click to date dialog. Dialog index. Yeah, within the container, I also need to expand it. Try it. And as expected, we get to the last line of the dialog and it stops. So we'll Control C here, Control B to expand it. We'll put some additional test dialog here. In the character model, we just have this one Hiroshi where he's drinking, but make him standing. Maybe I'll just create one of him walking. Okay, so in the dialog here, I have him standing. There's a girl named Aki that he's going to meet. Okay, let's see whether it's working. Try it again. Appears to be working. Double click here. I think in the dialog, maybe I have a. Oh, there's a duplicate in the dialog. That's why. Okay, we need a way to update the background image here. and manage the index better. So we'll take care of that in the next video.